Given my experience working with 2 NGOs in Uganda, I have found out that the biggest digital gap across many organizations in East Africa is payment integration. Most NGOs receive donations through mobile money or cash, then manually record donor details, a process that's slow and prone to errors. 2 practical solutions I recommend for Ugandan NGOs. Flutterwave integration. This accepts MTN mobile money, Airtel Money, Visa and MasterCard, then automate donor acknowledgement and tracking in Zapier. Number 2, payment reference method. Donors pay first, then enter their transaction reference in a donation form. Zapier captures everything automatically, simple, free, and effective. Both methods integrate seamlessly with the donor automation system I covered in my last YouTube video. With Flutterwave, this is how setup is done. You go to flutterwave.com, open, then you go to sign in. If you have an account, you just automatically log in, but since you don't have an account, you go to create account, then select your country, then you enter your valid email address you use for your organization, and you sign up as you create an account basing on this individual account, registered business account, or other entities. But since my focus is on NGOs, click entities and say let's get started. Verify, then you proceed, let's get started. Then you fill in, this is what we call KYC, know your customer. After clicking let's get started, you register your business name. Assuming my NGO is Mabel Youth Advocates. First name, yes. So this is what we call know your customer. You have to complete this part, KYC, know your customer, by uploading the required documents to verify your business type. Business owner, certificate of incorporation, constitution, memorandum of guidance, operating license, proof, as you see, as the list goes. So you can create a password, Mabel12, plus a symbol. Yes, after you acknowledge I have read and yes, create your account. You can save. So after the registration and approved, it will send a message that you have welcome to Flutterwave. As simple as that. So you can go to the dashboard and check out how you can integrate payment into the donor management system. When you get to this dashboard, you create a payment link by clicking here payments. Then you come to payment links, create a payment link. They give you 3 options: single charge, subscription link, donations. Use donations. Yes, your name, your charity and religious organizations. Create donation link. Page name or title. You say donate to Youth Advocates. Then description. You can say our support our community programs. Yes. Currency you can choose. Let me use UGX. Yes. In UGX. Then you can also put the donation number. Let me look for Uganda. Yes. You can put Uganda 75. Let me use my number for my business. 757. Let me just use any number here. Then on the donation website, if your NGO already have a website, you can put it here. Yeah. But for now, let's leave it blank because you can also have an image about your donation. You can have an image that is about the donation. Then after filling in this, you can say create a link. Thank you for choosing Flutterwave. How to create a test payment link. In order to create live payment links and start accepting payments, complete account setup and verify your account. Just remember your payment link will be removed once you verify your account and switch to live mode. I can't verify my account now because I don't have the documents to verify. So I'll click continue to create a payment link. So here's the payment link. You will copy it. Afterwards, you will come to Zapier, the new Zap. Name the Zap Flutterwave donor automation. Let's give it that name, Flutterwave donor automation. Enter. Then I'll trigger, search for Flutterwave. Yes, here it is, Flutterwave. Then event, I'll either choose new transaction or new payment. But since we have no new payment, I will just say new transaction. I will connect Flutterwave by signing in. Before you connect, you have to ensure that you get a Flutterwave API key. So you shall have to go back to Flutterwave dashboard and scroll, look for API keys. Then you'll copy public key, and later you come back to Zapier to connect the Flutterwave. Then you paste the public key. Then again you go back to Flutterwave to copy the secret key, which you come and paste in. And yes, you come here and copy the secret key. Paste the secret key here. After everything is done, you come to continue, finish the code fields. Yes. Then continue and test the trigger. And after this trigger, add more 2-3 actions which I'm not going to add. So you add an action, a Gmail for automatic thank you with the details of payment by the donor. Then another action after Gmail will be Google Sheets as your donor tracker, where the donation information is add another action, a Slack, which will help your team to get notified about the payments of any new donor. As simple as that. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for weekly automation tutorials. And if you are an NGO, non-profit, a charity organization or church, and you wish to have such automation for your organization, my contact and the descriptions. See you in the next one.